Hello everyone, welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. This is Saili, your yoga expert. Do you suffer from constipation? So this video of Yogasanas is surely for you. Our first asana is Parvatasana. So in this asana, we stretch our body upwards, which help our intestine and our digestive system to get a stretch and get space to move our bowels very easily. So this asana is very helpful to release your bowels easily and softly. Sit straight, your back is straight. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Interlock your fingers in front and turn your palms outside. You also do it in Namaste. Stretch your hand upwards. Give a good stretch to your body. And gently you will bend towards your left. Coming in the middle, you will go towards your right. Again come in the middle, take your hands down and release. Our next asana is butterfly, Purna Titli also it is called. So this asana is very useful for your intestine, for your digestive system, as it gives a space, as I said before, to your intestine, and also it cures constipation. Come in Danda Sthiti, like this, your back is straight. You will take you can do this in half also, so this is half Ardha Titli, half butterfly. You have to take your feet on your thigh, hold your fingers like this. Hold your knee with your hand and lift it up and down. Up and down. So this is half Titli. You can do it in full also. I will show it. So this gives, when we take it up, this gives pressure on your intestine and digestive system, which help you to release your bowels very easily. This is half butterfly. Now we will do with the full butterfly. Again come in Danda Sthiti. First your left leg, then your right leg. Feet are together, your feet are touching each other. You will hold your toes like this. Interlock your fingers and hold your toes. As much as you can, you have to move your legs up and down. You have to take your knee up and down. Keep breathing, your back is straight. You can do this 10 to 15 times. You can do it fast also, like this. Also, after doing this, take your feet little forward. Again, hold it. Give space to your hands and your chest to go down and gently bend. After this, reverse posture, just hold your knees and hug them. So this is the reverse posture of it. So our third asana is Ardha Matsyendra asana. In this asana, our whole intestine and digestive system gets a good twist and it gives massage internally. So this is very easy and very helpful to do for people who are facing problems in digestion. Come in Danda Sthiti, your back is straight. Place your right feet near your left knee. Then you have to fold your left leg like this and taking it near your butt. You don't have to sit on your heel, but it is near your butt. If you can't do this posture, I will show you the simple version of it. After this, you have to lift your left hand, twist it and try to hold your feet and look backward. In this posture, as you can see, your abdomen is getting a good stretch and twist, by which you can easily get relief of constipation. As we go in the asana, we have to come back. First left leg, then right leg. The simple version of this is, place this feet near your knee, lift the hand and twist. Or else you can just give twist like this. No need of taking this leg backwards. So just give this twist and come back. Our next asana is happy baby pose. So it is very interesting and very nice asana to do. Just we have to lie down and hold our feet. I will show it. This asana helps you to release the gases from your abdomen, which also cures the constipation and gives relief with your bowel movement. Lie down and gently you have to lift your both the legs and hold your feet and hold it like this. So this is happy baby pose. As we can see, baby lies down like this many times. This gives pressure and opens your anal, which helps you to release your bowels very easily. Gently release and come back. Our next asana is Pawan Muktasana. Many of you must be knowing about this. So this asana also helps to release the gases in your abdomen, as the name is Pawan Muktasana. So this is also very easy to do. You can do it standing also and sleeping also. So you can do this in the morning, after you wake up, and after the bedtime also you can do when you go to your bed. Lie down on your back and you have to lift your left leg, hold it in your knee and interlock your fingers and hold it near your abdomen. Press it on your abdomen like this. Your toe is pointing outwards. Try to give pressure as much as you can. Same with the other leg. Keep breathing. Try to give pressure as much as you can. Now with both the legs. Toes pointing outwards. And also you can lift your chin and touch to your knees. Gently come back. So this was our asanas to cure your constipation and get relief from improper digestion issues. This asana you can do in your daily routine of yoga. Also, if you are not doing any yoga practice or not an exercise, so you can do this set of exercise in the morning before you go to bath. So this will give you relief to your bowel movements. So also stay tuned for my upcoming videos. And also watch my warm-up videos, sun salutation, Surya Namaskar videos. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.